Okay friends, good morning. They given this question in 2017 SBI PO mains. Friends, check here. Given one is what? There are 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are standing on gates of two rectangular parks. The rectangular parks are such that one is small and second one is large with the smaller inside the larger one. Yes. So friends, totally we are having two rectangular parks. One is small, other one is large with the smaller inside the larger one. Yes, leave. Next point is what? The gates are on the four sides of the park. Yes, here. The gates are on the four sides of the park. Yes, take here. Leave it. Next point is what? The ones on outer park are standing facing the center. Those one who is standing at outer park are facing the center. Next, and ones on inner park are standing facing outside the center. Yes, those one who are standing at inner park are facing outside. Yes. So in this way, the persons are facing each other when they are standing on the same sides of the park. Yes, friends, this is the given entire information. This entire first paragraph is based. See here. Total we are having two rectangular parks. One is small, other one is large. The smaller inside the larger one. Those one who is standing at inner park are facing outside and outer park is facing inside and they are facing each other. Leave it. Take first point is what? There is one person is standing between B and D. Between B and D we are having only one person. Yes. So friend, compulsory B and D both are standing in the same rectangle. Maybe inner rectangle or maybe outer rectangle. Don't take B. Here one person gap D. Don't take. Why means? Here one person is standing between B and D means compulsory B and D are both are in the same rectangle. Yes. Now see here. There is chance to take one possibility in outer rectangle. Or there is chance to take one more possibility in inner rectangle. Take here one more possibility. Totally we are having 8 members are standing on gates of 4 rectangular parks. Those one who is standing at outer park are facing inside and inner park is facing outside. Yes, leave it. Now one person is standing between B and D. B, one person D. One possible outer rectangle, other possibility is inner rectangle. B, one person D. Yes, leave. Next point. C faces B. C is facing B. Here also C is facing B. Leave. A is to the immediate right of C. C facing inside, outside, left hand and right hand. Now A is to the immediate right of C. In this case, C facing inside, left hand and right hand. Now A is to the immediate right of C. Leave. Next point is what? G is not either to the immediate right or immediate left of D. See here. G is not either to the immediate left of D or immediate right of D. Yes. G is not either to the immediate right of D or immediate left of D means in this case G outer rectangle is no chance. Only possibility is what? Inner. In this case G is not either to the immediate left of D or right of D means inner rectangle is no chance. Then only possibility is what? Outer rectangle. Leave. Next point is what? G faces neither D nor F. G is facing neither D nor F. See here. Before point is what? G is not either to the immediate left of D or right of D means then for G only possibility is what? Inner rectangle. But now they mention G is not facing D means then for G here no chance. This is the possibility for G. In this case, G is not either to the immediate left of D, right of D means outer rectangle is no chance. Then only possibility is what? Sorry, inner rectangle is no chance. Only possibility is what? Outer rectangle. But here G is not facing D means here G no chance. This is the only possibility for G. Yes, leave. Next point. One person is standing between H and F. One person is standing between H and F means now in this case inner rectangle is no chance. Only possibility is what? Outer rectangle. These two are the possibilities for H and F. Yes. In this case one person is standing between H and F means outer rectangle is no chance. Only possibility is what? Inner rectangle. Yes. But our requirement is what? G is not facing F. That means see here. Now one person is standing between H and F but F is not facing G. Now for F here no chance. Then this one is for take this one is for H. 1%, this one is what? F. Between F and H we are having 1%. Now in this case between F and H 1% means only possibility is what? Inner rectangle. But F is not facing G means then this one is what? H 1%, this one is what? F. Take last point. E facing the center. Friends, E is facing the center. E facing the center means E is compulsory standard outer rectangle. But in this case outer rectangle 4 members are already completed. That means for this possibility no chance. E facing the outside. This is the only E facing the center means then this is the only possibility for E. Yes. Now friend, this is the given entire data. Now friend, check here first question. F is facing with the which of the following person? Yes. Friends, see here F is facing which of the following person? Option number 1, C, no chance. Next, E, no chance. H, no chance. C, F is facing which of the following person means what? A. So for first question, answer is what? A. Sorry, D. That means option is D, answer is A. Which of the following does not form a part of the group? Yes, check here, part of the group. Here D, next B, next H, next G, next one is F. Friends, check here, B, H, D, F. These are the inner rectangle. G is the outer rectangle. So does not form a part of the group mean then answer is what? Simply option D. So here answer is what? G.